Hey guys, so this is my basement. Some large piece of foam here. What's this here? It's a giant Lego Death Star, I think, possibly. We're still keeping it for some strange reason. We got a bowling pin over here, trumpet, and some other things down in here. We're offering a special right now. It's called the Declutter Spring Cleaning Special, right? So what we'll do is we'll send some professional movers to your house. They'll load up everything that you have. They'll inventory it. In other words, they'll write it down on the list. You know, this box right here is box number 1. This tub right here is tub number 2. We'll give you a copy of that inventory list so you know exactly what we're taking. We'll declutter everything that you want us to do, right? And we'll take that to our secure facility, and we're going to load it into one of our secure storage vaults. Each vault holds about 250 cubic feet of space. I'd say most of this stuff would probably fit into one vault, and we'll do all that for one flat rate. So for $350, we'll pick it up, we'll take it to our facility, we'll store it in the vault for you, and we'll bring it back. On top of that, we're just having an $80 per month fee for storage. You got your space, now you can put your exercise room in or whatever hobby you have. Use the space for something that's going to be fun for you and your family. Give us a call today.
A2B Moving and Storage, 703-249-9826.